you so much, students. Now, let's start again, okay? The title here, as you know, it in or out. Unit number 8. What are the things that we are going to learn this lesson? Count and uncount nouns, some and any, I like and I'd like, how much or how many, food and drink, and also shop in the high street. We have to learn more vocabulary, as I said. Now, please, let's start with the first exercise. Number 1. Look at the pictures. Okay, here, focus on that picture. Can you see? We have a kid, right? He's sad. Look at the picture. Which foods did you like as a young child? Okay, here we have a question for all of you, please, students. Which foods did you like as a young child? Please, any volunteer maybe? Which foods did you like as a young child? For example, you can say, when I was a child, I liked chocolate, tomatoes, bananas, for example, right? Is the first question that we have. Please think. Come on, you have to answer me. The next question is, why didn't you like? Were you a busy eater till the class? Okay, here we have two interesting questions. The first is, which foods did you like as a young child? Please, students, come on. Which foods? Here you have some pictures. If you can see, please, you can mention some of them if you want. Okay, please. The first question, students, which foods did you like as a young child? Imagine, remember, when you were a kid, when you were a child. Which food used to be your favorite? Please, come on, any volunteer maybe?
You miss.
Please.
When I was a child, I liked tea. I like an ice cream. I like chocolate and apples.
Okay, thank you. What about the boys, students? Come on. Which foods did you like as a young child? I want to listen, students. I want to listen. Come on. Remember. Which foods were your favorite? Come on. Okay, you can say, for example, when I was a child.
Didn't like.
Please repeat, Kevin.
Lo que nos gusta o no nos gusta.
Primero lo que les gustaba, ¿no? ¿Cuáles eran los alimentos, ya sean frutas, verduras, que les gustaban? Okay, the first question first.
Okay.
Come on. Come on, Kevin.
I like tea, ice cream, and bananas.
Bananas, okay.
Broccoli.
Continue.
Chocolate.
And broccoli. Chocolate, very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, students. The first question, please. Which foods did you like as a young child? Come on, girls. I want to know.
I didn't like tomatoes.
Okay. And what did you like as a young child?
When I was a young child, I liked apples, bananas, milk, chocolate, and broccoli.
Okay. Let's continue, please, students. If you want to talk, you can, okay? Now, please, if you want to tell me a positive sentence, you can, or maybe a negative, you can, depend on you, because here we have two questions, right? Which foods did you like as a young child? Which didn't you like? Please, come on, everybody. Which didn't you like? Remember. You have to remember. Come on, students. Come on. Hello. I want to listen.
Yo, miss.
Please.
I didn't like onions, broccoli,
Okay.
y I liked chocolate, banana, apples, cheese, milk.
Okay. Thank you. Please, Galia. Which foods did you like as a young child? Galia, please.
¿Me puede volver a repetir la pregunta, por favor?
Okay. Which foods did you like as a young child? Which foods were your favorite when you were a child?
I food favorite is
No,
banana.
pasado. La pregunta, ¿en qué tiempo está? ¿Presente o
En
pasado?
pasado. En pasado.
Pasado.
Ah, ok.
Entonces, por ejemplo, puedes decir, I like it, me gustaba, no ve el verbo nomás, no ve el tiempo pasado. Seguimos manejando así, chicos, pero ya, ustedes ya tienen que dominar esto. I like it, ok, pasado. ¿Por qué pasado?
Ah,
Porque mi pregunta está con la auxiliar did. Entonces yo ya tengo que reconocer automático, ¿no ve? I
ajá.
like it, tomatoes, chocolates, ok. Please, come on, Galia. Which foods did you like as a young child?
Okay. I did. I did. I did like.
No, ¿por qué el did? No necesitamos el did. No necesitamos
¿Sí?
auxiliar en la oración afirmativa.
Ay, cierto. Entonces sería I like.
Ya, todos chicos, vámonos. Ok, I like it, no me sea directo, ¿no ven? Mientras su
Sí.
compañera nos va mencionando, quiero que toditos vayan a la página que les he mencionado ahorita, ¿no ven? The English Notes. Please, everybody, let's go there. And write two sentences, two positive sentences, okay? Talking about what foods were your favorite, and also another two sentences talking about fruits or vegetables that didn't you like. Okay, please. You have to answer to those questions with two sentences, okay? Put your names. Ponen su nombrecito. For example, Natalie. When I was a child, I liked tomatoes, bananas, for example. And I didn't like wine, beer, okay? Please. Everybody, come on. Vámonos a English Notes. Por favor, vayan haciendo mientras responde su compañera. Please, Galia, come on. Which
Yeah,
foods did you like as a
yeah.
young child?
I like banana. And milk. I
And me,
did like. I didn't.
okay. I didn't like, okay. If
I
it's
didn't
negative,
like.
which didn't you like?
I didn't like broccoli and tea.
Okay. Thank you. Negative sentence, right? Please, everybody, you have to write. Don't forget. Let me ask. I need to more participation. Please, Christian.
Miss,
Christian. Okay, please, Christian. Which foods did you like as a young child?
I didn't like wine. I didn't like broccoli and eggs.
Okay, and which foods did you like as a young child?
De nuevo, Miss.
No, now is another question. Which foods did you like as a young child? ¿Cuáles te gustaban? Me acabas de mencionar lo que no te gustaba. Ahora, ¿qué te gustaba?
I like yogurt, milk, and apple juice.
Okay, thank you. Please, Iván. Iván, hello, hello. No. Leonardo. Leonardo, please.
Miss.
Okay, Leonardo, tell me, which foods did you like as a young child?
Mm, when I was a child, I like cheese and ice cream, and I don't like. Um,
Repeat. Which didn't you like?
hmm?
Past. And which didn't you like?
I don't like.
Which?
I didn't like.
Negative, right? Negative sentence in past. I didn't.
I didn't. I didn't like carrots and apples.
Okay, remember. Very good. Okay, please. Now, finish, students. Have you done? ¿Ya están sus oraciones? Yes or not? I'm going to check in a minute. It's okay? Finish? Somebody else maybe who's writing? No? Hello, hello. Okay, students, have you finished? Can we continue now? I want to see your 4 sentences. 2 positive, 2 negative sentences. Talking about fruits and vegetables that you liked and you didn't like. Finish? I think that we can continue now. Okay, hello. It's okay. Can you listen me? Students. Hola, ¿se escucha?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, now everybody, let's continue. We have another question and it's interesting. You have to remember your childhood. Were you a busy eater? Were you? What does fussy eater mean? Imagine, and it's very common to see that kind of kids who don't want to eat, for example, vegetables like tomatoes, broccoli, carrots, right? They love chocolate, chips, bread, hamburgers, or something like that, right? And they don't like to eat maybe vegetables, the more common example. And that's it. Were you a fussy eater? Is the question here. What does a fussy eater mean, right? The kid who choose what is going to eat, and he or she prefers only ice creams or maybe chips or chocolate. That's it. A fussy eater. Okay, entonces, ¿qué significa fussy eater? Los niños quisquillosos, ¿cierto? Que escogen todo, right? This I like, but this no, because I don't like this. I like this, but this no, right? Were you a fussy eater, students? Were you? Some of you, maybe? No? Come on, I want to know. Were you a fussy eater? Some of you, maybe? Come on, students. Natalie, were you a
I
fussy
wasn't.
eater?
I wasn't funny either.
A fussy eater, right? Fussy eater, ¿no? De niños,
Fussy.
esos niños
Sorry.
quisquillosos que escogen todo. Recuerden esta imagen. Somebody else, maybe? What about you? Kevin, were you a fussy eater? Kevin Bellat? Were you? No, miss, I wasn't. Or maybe miss, yes, I was. I didn't like vegetables. But I love it. Chocolate and Chris, for example. I want to listen. Galia, please. Were you a fast eater? Galia? Hello, hello. Wendy, were you a fast eater?
No, Miss.
No what? No. ¿Cuál sería la respuesta corta? No, I.
No, I wasn't, Miss.
Okay, please, Leonardo. Were you a fast eater?
No, Miss.
No, what? No, I.
No, I didn't.
No. ¿Con qué está la pregunta? Were you a fast eater? Con el pasado del verbo to be, right? Were o was. En este caso está el were. ¿Cómo se responde? Were you a fast eater? No, yo no era. Por ejemplo. No, I wasn't, right? Ok. Todos chicos, por favor, miren, siguen dudando del pasado, ¿ok? Quiero que vayan a gramática y repasen, por favor, ¿ok? Please, another student, please. ¿Qué Yasarin? ¿Qué Yasarin?
Miss?
Were you a fast eater?
No, I wasn't.
Okay. Now, please, let's continue, everybody. We have to do the next exercise, number 2. Match the food and drink with the pictures. Okay, here you have, can you see the picture, right? Here we have many vegetables, some fruits, right? Please, what do you have to do? You have to match, okay? We are in exercise number 2. Match the food and drink with the pictures. And also we have some drinks like wine, beer, apple juice, milk. Okay, please. Come on, do it. You have to match. One minute. If you have any question, students, just tell me. You have to match with the correct picture and the word. You have to match, please. 1 minute left. If you have any question, just tell me. Okay, finish. Let's check, please. What do we have to do? Listen. Okay, we are going to listen now. Then say the list aloud as a class. Okay, first of all, the students, just listen, okay? And pay attention to the pronunciation in special. Okay, let's start.
Unit 8, Tape Script 8.1, Starter. List A.
Okay, can you listen? Can you listen to the script?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please, students, now. Just listen, okay? And after that, we are going to repeat aloud. But first of all, listen and notice the pronunciation. Okay, let's start. With list 8, okay, pay attention.
Tea. Coffee. Wine. Cheese. Yogurt. Pasta. Ice cream. Apple juice. Bread. Milk. chocolate, broccoli. List B. Bananas, apples, strawberries, potatoes, carrots, peas, onions, tomatoes, eggs, biscuits, crisps, chips.
Okay, students, please now let's listen again. And here we have. So repeat aloud, one by one. Okay, please, students, listen and repeat. Okay. Say the list aloud. Word, okay? We have to start now again.
Unit 8, Tape Script 8.1, Starter. List A. Tea,
Come on. We have
tea,
Tea.
coffee,
Coffee.
coffee,
Coffee.
wine,
Wine.
wine,
Wine.
cheese,
cheese,
Cheese.
yogurt,
yogurt,
Yogurt.
pasta,
pasta,
ice cream,
ice cream,
apple juice,
apple juice,
bread,
bread,
Bread.
milk,
milk,
Milk.
chocolate,
chocolate,
broccoli,
broccoli,
okay. Let's continue with the next list. List B, please. Let's start.
list B. Bananas,
bananas,
Bananas. Okay. Aloud, students. Aloud. Fuerte. Okay. Let's start. Let's continue now with this list.
apples,
apples,
strawberries,
strawberries,
potatoes,
potatoes,
carrots,
carrots,
peas,
peas,
onions,
onions,
tomatoes,
tomatoes,
eggs,
eggs,
Eggs.
biscuits,
Biscuits.
crisps,
crisps,
chips,
Chips.
Okay, students. Thank you. Now, please tell me the correct letter because here you have some boxes, right? Where you have to write the correct letter. For example, T. What is that? What the letter is?
L,
L. Okay. What about coffee? What is it?
P,
Okay. Wine. The next wine. Look at the picture. What the letter is?
J.
J.
J,
What about the next one? Cheese.
B,
Very good. The next, please. We have yogurt.
N,
Pasta.
D,
Ice cream.
W,
Bread.
H,
Milk.
U,
Chocolate.
O.
Broccoli.
S,
F,
Bananas.
I,
Apples.
A,
Strawberries.
F,
F.
Potatoes.
T,
T.
Carrots.
R,
R. Peas. What is that?
X,
X. Okay, right? Peas. Onions.
E,